Morning, y'all. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. It's time to start getting chores done. So we'll get the ducks out later. So y'all get to do my morning chores with me. This is routine. This is every morning. So let's get busy. We're going to get the feed, which is there and over there. Go feed. Don't fall over. Big feed. And shut the doors. All right, here we go. Look how dirty y'all are. You're nasty. So let's feed the pigs. Morning. Morning, babies. Well, good morning. That'll be easier to do from here. Morning, Rosie. Ah, there's that. Scoot over, baby. Now I'm using the feed bucket because I'm still training her to milk. And she gets a little nervous and likes to jump around, so I'd rather do this than have, maybe that'll work, her foot in the bucket. Come on, Dix. Come on, Dix. Dixie, come on. Come on, Dix. And when you're milking a goat, take these fingers, your thumb and that finger right there, close it off. Hold on, baby. And you just squeeze. Just like that. You don't pull. Just a minute, baby. I gotta let this one hand rest. Good girl, Dixie. Easy, 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 easy. Dix. Now be still, baby. Be still. She's just... I don't think she's been milked much. This is just the fourth time of me milking her. Come here, darling. Spread your legs a little bit. Easy, easy, easy. Plus, with me just worming her, I'd rather give this milk to the dogs. I gotta get my hands used to milking again. I tire out easy now. It's been almost a year since I milked. Easy, baby. Take my rings off. Easy, easy, baby. You gotta kind of massage their udders to get them to turn loose of that milk. Because if you don't, they will hold back on you. It's just a natural instinct they have. The other day, she was acting a darn fool when I was trying to do this. That one's about out. All right, y'all ready? Okay, one more game. You just work that udder. Good job. Good job. Get her relaxed. She'll let that milk out. She's probably thinking, who in the world are you talking to? She don't know she's gonna be a YouTube star. Be a Dixie. You're gonna have several people watching you on YouTube. Good girl. Good girl, darling. She's starting to get used to it. She's still a little jumpy. I don't want to have to put hobbles on her. I don't have any. And I don't want to purchase any. I'd rather her just get used to it, because to me hobbles are kind of cruel. Which I understand why people use them, because you can get hurt. Yeah, you're about out, aren't you, darling? Now remember, this is going to go to the dogs, so I ain't worried about the bucket being clean this morning. I ain't worried about my hands being real clean this morning. Good girl. You don't want to tug on their udders. You tug on them and you can hurt them. You just want to kind of massage them and just squeeze. Okay, now remember, this milk is going to go to the dogs. But I want to see how much she's giving in a milk. It barely got milk in it. So I got a 2-quart pitcher. Just more or less trickling out now instead of... And of course I had some feed in there. But she give almost a half a gallon this milking. That one's empty. So if she gives that much twice a day, I'll get a gallon a day. I'm happy with that. Still got, she let loose of some more now. And remember, this is nasty, but it's going to the dogs. This one's empty now too. See? Yeah. Good girl. Oh, we missed the bucket on quite a bit of it, girl.